I've got packages. Let's see what I've got. Or should I put the backlights on? Move those. Backlights, check them out. First up, this is the big boy. Let me get into it. I have Panasonic GH5. See that? No, you don't. Focus, focus, focus. So yeah, I got myself a Panasonic GH5 to help with videos, video production. Here it is, the Panasonic GH5. Looks lovely, looks just like a GH4. Bit bigger, bit chunkier. I also have got a kit lens with it. The 12 to 60 kit lens. So that'll be fun to use. Whack that on it quickly. So I believe it uses the same batteries as the GH4. SD card. SD card pouch. Very, very useful. There you go, full battery. I'll just, there we go. There's 12 to 60. Looks very nice. Recording in 4K. Let me get this plant, see how that looks. Be helpful if I got some light. Look at that. Lovely stuff. Looking forward to putting this to the test. I'll switch over to this later once I open the rest of the gear. Alright. This one could be quite fun. Christmassy wrapping paper, because it knows that this is Christmas come early. And here I have Rode Filmmaker wireless lav microphones. Really excited to get using these, just because a lot of the recording I've been doing with like a little 8 quid lav and literally just recording it into my phone, which has been a good solution for the time being, but it's not very professional. So I've upgraded to this. So looks like we've got the two together. Yeah. The belt one and then one on the cam. These are going to be really fun to try once I've got them out in the field and actually connected up to me. Here it is. This is the belt one. Yeah, feels nice. Assuming the little lav mic will come with it. In here, nice little pouch, thanks Rode. I do like Rode microphones. Look at that, a little windshield mount as well. I assume this will be much of the same. So I'll try and get through this quickly. Lovely, so you've got your screen there. Buttons on, off. There you go, so that's how it looks on the camera, on your tripod, ready to connect up to the... I've got one more bit of gear to unlock, and this is the bit I've been most excited for. It comes in two parts. I don't know which one to open first. I've got this one, then I've got another one. Let me go for the other one first. I'm excited for this. Can you guess what it is? You ready? There's a logo there. There we go. It is an Aputure light, but which light have I got? That is a lovely case. Really nice case. Nice work, Aputure. But which light is it, you might ask? We're getting in there. Oh. Here inside we have the Aputure 120d. I'm so excited to start bringing this out on shoots. There you go. This is the YouTuber light. You see it in every YouTuber studio. One more thing is this. And this is directly related to the Aputure 120d. It is the Aputure Lightdome. Like, I don't know how I'm even going to show you this. I'll set this up another time, but I'll put a picture. That's the Lightdome. So yeah, so buzzed with my purchases. I do actually have one more. Let me go and get it. But this one isn't particularly interesting. I mean, you can go off the video now, but if you're intrigued to see what this is, or just guess in the comments, or I'll put a poll up. Can I do that? We have ourselves C-stand. I didn't realise how bloody expensive C-stands were. I need to build this, but it cost me about 100 quid. But I did feel the light stands I was using at the moment weren't very good. Like literally, I'm just balancing this little Aputure light on my desk. My light stands before were these ones. So that is my unboxing complete. GH5 Rode Link and Aputure 120d. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, I'm showing you the shot, aren't I? Right, I'm back. I've set everything up. I've got my Aputure 120d with Lightdome set up. I've got my GH5 with my 16mm lens on it, and I've got my Rode Link wireless lav recording. I'm so happy with this setup, so excited with the new gear I've bought. I think these are going to be a really good investment. The GH5 is great. I've got all my settings dialed in. This light is just such a nice soft light. It really does wrap around you. 100% worth the £750 or whatever it was to get it. Really excited to be making some more videos, more projects with this camera, with this light and with this microphone. Let me know what you think of this setup. I'm really happy with it. Really so excited to be making more videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you don't, then leave. See you in the next one. Oh, I did the whole cover up thing this time. Should have held it for longer. It is hilarious how this room actually looks right now. Like, so much stuff everywhere. Look at this, right? So, here, like my desk is full of stuff. You can see the big light there. Literally just on a C-stand, which is balancing there. Actually, the light looks trippy. And then, yeah, look at all the boxes on my bed. All right. Look at that, lovely. Really lovely.